In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a send error on your Coinbase wallet. This guide will walk you through some simple troubleshooting steps that should help resolve common issues you may encounter when trying to send cryptocurrency. Let's get started and get your transactions back on track. A good place to start with any technical issue is to check your internet connection. Make sure you have a stable and strong connection, as an unstable network could be the culprit behind your send error. Try using a different Wi-Fi network or switching to mobile data and then attempt your transaction again. Next, verify that you have enough cryptocurrency in your wallet to cover both the amount you want to send and any associated network fees. Sometimes network fees can increase unexpectedly, and not having enough funds to cover these fees can prevent your transaction from going through. Double-checking your balance can sometimes solve the problem quickly. Once you've ensured you have enough crypto, confirm that you're sending to the correct address and using the appropriate network. Sending your cryptocurrency to an incorrect address or on the wrong network is a common mistake and can result in errors. Always double-check the recipient's address carefully and ensure that the network selected in your wallet matches the network of the recipient's wallet. If you're still encountering issues, try restarting the Coinbase Wallet app or your entire device. This can often reset any glitches or temporary problems the app might be experiencing. A quick reboot might be all that's needed to clear up the error and allow your transaction to go through smoothly. Keeping your apps up to date is crucial for functionality and security. So the next step is to make sure that your Coinbase Wallet app is updated to its latest version. Developers frequently release updates to fix bugs and improve performance, so an outdated app could potentially be the source of your problem. Head over to your app store, check for any available updates, and install them. If updating doesn't help, try uninstalling the app and then reinstalling it. Reinstalling can fix deeper issues by ensuring that the app is reset to its default state. Don't worry, your funds and wallet information will be safe as long as you have a backup of your wallet recovery phrase. Finally, if you've gone through these steps and the error still persists, it's time to reach out to Coinbase support. When contacting them, be sure to include as many details about the issue as possible. Provide any error messages you've received, details of the transaction, and any troubleshooting steps you've already taken. This information will help them diagnose the problem more efficiently and provide you with a solution. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve most send errors encountered on the Coinbase wallet. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helped you successfully send your cryptocurrency.